come here. I don't want to disturb you on social media, but this is my first time installing a lace front wig, and this is a glueless, and it's from Amazon. I literally bought it from using the Prime membership. So I did not want it to miss out on this at all. This is a 22-inch body wave, and it's so nice. It's so clean and so fresh. It doesn't even have any smell. Guys, when I tell you that, I love this unit, like it's amazing. So I had to put it on my head and go and fix it around, because it's the first time. Yeah, you know when you put on the first something, you know say, oh, everybody to see it. That's the reason why me will call you in and say, listen me, give me a few minutes. Come on, I have to install this. I want to see it, because remember, it's the first time, girl.